Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're going to visit the South Point Hotel and Casino, which is technically on the Las Vegas Strip. It's about 3 or 4 miles south of the airport, so if you're heading towards the airport from the main part of the Strip, just keep going about another 3 or 4 or 5 miles and you'll see South Point Hotel and Casino on the right-hand side. Which raises a good question: what do you consider the Las Vegas Strip? I consider it the Strat to the Mandalay Bay. Others might say from the Encore to the MGM Grand. Yet others might say anything along Las Vegas Boulevard, which would include South Point, the hotel and casino we're visiting today. Leave a comment below. What do you consider the Strip? Anyway, back to the South Point. It's a 24-story hotel tower and casino, and there's a 90,000 square foot convention center that goes along with it. The building of the hotel and casino started in 2003, and after several expansions, it was completed in 2008. With the hotel now offering a total of 2,163 rooms and 160 square feet of meeting and convention space, South Point is now the largest of any hotel in Las Vegas that's not on the Strip. So come on, let's go for a walk and check this big boy out. So on the way in, we passed a coffee shop as well as a ice cream and smoothie cafe. And coming up here is Del Mar Deli. Del Mar Deli at South Point Hotel features a variety of soups, salads, sandwiches, and breakfast items. Enjoy specials like pizza or corned beef, roast beef, and pastrami sandwiches. Get a little taste of New York with bagels freshly made every day at the Bagel Cafe. Del Mar Deli is a place to go for a quick bite. Coming up here is a South Point sports book, and with the chairs socially distanced, it looks kind of like a schoolroom, doesn't it? This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Is that a teacher I see in front of the sportsbook class? And coming up here on the left, what looks like a second sports book is actually a race book. They have the sports book and race book separated here at the South Point. And here we have one of several casino lounges here at South Point. Here's the casino's poker room. Coming up here is Zen Shin, featuring contemporary Asian cuisine. Inside the restaurant is a sushi bar, which features sushi rolls, including their famous 777, Double Down Salmon, and Jackpot rolls. In addition to sushi, you can enjoy delectable appetizers, soups, bowls, noodles, and entrees such as garlic onion chicken, oxtail soup, miso ramen, barbecued grilled beef short ribs, and miso marinated black cod. Up next is Steak and Shake. Now, this is the first Steak and Shake I've ever seen, and at first glance, you guys know how much I like Johnny Rockets. I thought this was a Johnny Rockets knockoff. Upon further investigation, Johnny Rockets started in the mid-1980s. Steak and Shake started in 1934 in Chicago. So who's knocking who off here? After I got home to the East Coast, I was really upset I didn't have a burger here at Steak and Shake, but it's on my bucket list for next trip. Coming up here is the Garden Buffet, one of the few buffets that were open during my visit to Las Vegas last time. With a colorful design and a bright, welcoming atmosphere, South Point's Garden Buffet Las Vegas is now staff-served for your safety. The restaurant offers a wide array of selections for unbeatable prices. This all-you-can-eat Las Vegas buffet lets you choose from 6 live cooking stations including Asian, Mexican, Italian, barbecue, Chinese, and seafood dishes. Or you can customize your own creation at the Mongolian Grill. This is the Big Sur Oyster Bar. Shrimp, clams, oysters, mussels, lobster, crab, and fresh fish are prepared before your eyes and served at the bar or bar-side tables. You can enjoy all that with an ice-cold brew or some wine. I've been called a Big Sur on many occasions. Hey, yo, Big Sur, no videotaping in the casino. This is the way to the guest rooms, and is it me or are they desperate to get that last dollar out of you as you come and go from your room? Here's the South Point gift shop serving up some beer, wine, and liquor amongst the usual souvenirs and candy bars. Looks like they have some bingo, bowling, movies, and an arcade upstairs. Let's check that out. Hold on tight. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. So the first thing you see when you get upstairs here at South Point, besides the slot machines, which seem to be, by the way, everywhere in this casino. I haven't been to the men's room yet, but I'm sure there's slot machines in the men's room. The first thing you see up here is the bingo room. There's been a lot of buzz lately about bingo. I've never played here in Las Vegas, but all the hotels and casinos seem to be revamping up and making their bingo rooms high-tech. And next time I'm here, I'm going to play a game or two, and hopefully I'll videotape it for you guys. Another cool thing about bingo in Las Vegas is complimentary drinks in most of the bingo rooms. And coming up here on the right is Century Theaters. This is a Cinemark 16 theaters, and they also serve food, wine, and beer, but I can't imagine anyone coming to Las Vegas and buying a ticket to see a movie in a theater. Maybe it's me. Here's the bowling center. For the casual bowler or the serious league player, everyone can enjoy the fun and excitement of South Point Bowling Center. This place is state-of-the-art, featuring a main center aisle with 32 lanes of bowling on each side, totaling 64 lanes. It's open from 7 in the morning till 12 midnight. And I can't help notice that most of the places off-strip, the exclusion of course being the strip itself in downtown Las Vegas, most of these casinos do have bowling lanes. So far, the coolest bowling complex I've seen is at Red Rocks Resort. I'll put a link in the description below. Don't forget to check out my book, 50 Attractions and Many Tips When Visiting Las Vegas. It's down at the bottom in the description of this video that you're watching. It's only $4.99, instantly downloaded to your computer. Tons of pictures and fantastic tips if you plan on visiting Sin City. Last thing I planned on doing today was eating a hot dog at a bowling alley snack bar at the South Point Hotel and Casino. But I got hungry and I said, alright, just get one hot dog and we'll have dinner later. I ordered the chili cheese dog, and let me tell you, Jeff from New York has never eaten a hot dog with a fork, knife, and spoon before, but there's a first for everything. Coming up here on the left is the Coronado Cafe. Anytime, day or night, the Coronado Cafe has something for everyone. The 24-hour coffee shop has an expansive American menu which offers breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and the Chinese kitchen offers delectable, authentic Chinese food for lunch beginning at 11 a.m. and dinner until midnight. Wake up to a bottomless cup of freshly brewed coffee, eggs Benedict smothered with scratch-made hollandaise, or a crisp Belgian waffle prepared to order. Some more restaurants here at the South Point include Michael's Gourmet Room, primarily prime rib, and Baja Miguel's. This restaurant here is Don Vito's Italian restaurant featuring, well, you guessed it, Italian specialties. And right next to Don Vito's is Silverado Steakhouse. Following the tradition of Las Vegas fine steakhouses, the Silverton Steakhouse offers the charm and service that discerning patrons have come to expect. Hand-painted mural scenes and vintage photographs line the walls above plush high-back booths, providing an intimate meal in an elegant yet unpretentious setting. The dinner menu, designed to offer the best in American steakhouse cuisine, centers on top quality steaks and chops, fresh seafood, and continental dishes. Check out the NewYorkVegas.com link in the description below. If you're planning a trip to Las Vegas, you could save up to 50% on hotels, restaurants, shows, and attractions. And on our way out, we have the reception area of the South Point Hotel and Casino. So that's it. What'd you think of South Point? Leave a comment below. This place is just moments from the southern end of the Strip. I find that a lot of these places just off the Strip have a lot of local visitors, and when I sit down in the casino at a gambling table or at a restaurant, I'll ask a local, what are the things that I should be doing as a visitor here in the city? And they'll give you some great recommendations, places you've never heard of and places you should probably visit. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you for watching New York! watching, or we're gonna arrest you and molest you.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you for watching the New York channel. Please subscribe.
If you don't, we're gonna arrest you.
And molest you.
After I was done recording Cagney and Lacey, I asked if either one outranked the other. And of course their answer was no, we're both pretty much dominant. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.